So I'm back home for a little bit, getting ready to shoot this Mimi Jones concert at the Milford Arts Council. And just want to go over what's in my camera bag. Super important, doing photography and video. So I want to make sure I come correct, I come prepared, and we're just going to take a look. So first and foremost, Leica Sofort. It's basically a rebranded Fujifilm camera. I love to take instant photography shots. It's a lot of fun. I usually give the performer a photo on their way out when they exit and stuff like that. So it's goes a long way. Next, Canon Rebel T3, old camera, but this comes in clutch. And I have on here a 85mm lens, great for portraits. And then for the most part, when the concert starts, I'm using this 75 to 300mm lens, and this is amazing. I only have to be careful because it doesn't really have image stabilization, so I'm either going to have to hold it carefully when I shoot or use a tripod. So if there's space, I'll probably bring the tripod and just mount it so I don't have to worry about those issues. But it's a solid lens and I can be all the way in the back and still get clear shots, which is great. And then for group shots, and just kind of being a fly on the wall, I have a 50mm lens, Canon lens, and I use this for so many different things. Like, this is just an amazing lens, and I always have this in my camera bag anyway. Like, I love the 85, but you kind of have to get back. So the 50 has been like pretty much an all-purpose lens, and really, really great stuff. So that is pretty much what I take with me to do photography gigs. For the most part, my photography gigs are at the Mac, and just having all those items and everything, charging the camera battery, stuff like that, and I'm good to go. I expect to get a lot of great people shots, shots of the concert, and then I'll be filming video with my Osmo that I'm shooting with right now, and I'm being lit by a Harlow Sol 5. So this is pretty much my new setup for this type of thing, and I have a cage attached to it to magnetize the unit so it can just kind of stay in place and just kind of shoot me the way that I want to be shot. So I'm gonna chill for a little bit, change my suit, and then head back out to Milford.